So check me out. There's different ways to do hip lifts. Here's one way. I'm really pulling from the internal obliques here, deep here, right? Okay? But I can also soften it and change a tad and start to sit down and thrust the hip diagonal. And that's what I'm doing. There's different ways, but I think you might like this. Aha, it looks good. You got it. Yep, sit down. Up, up. Other side. Check it out. We're going to add single, single, double. Again, single, single. So we added a little rotation, a little crescent, crescent, up. Good. Again, single, single, double. Last time, slow. Ladies, speed it up. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single. Last time, change. And single, single, double. So we're not going back. We start at the front every time. Stay here and then repeat here. Single, single, and double. Stay here. Yes.